For decades, we Rohingya have faced genocide. In 2017, the Myanmar military burnt our homes, killed our families, and forced nearly 1 million of us into refugee camp. On this day, 25 August, we remember the lives we lost and the suffering we still endure. Today, history is repeating itself. The Arakan army has also turned their guns on us. Our villages burnt, our children killed, and our families displaced again. Two forces, one crime, both committing the same genocide against us, the Rohingya people. We are human beings. We deserve safety. We deserve dignity. We deserve justice. The world must not stay silent. Stand with us, the Rohingya. Stand against genocide, no matter who commits it.